on, everyone, get ready! We're going to London!
Passports?
Tickets? Ready. I packed my airplane, my car, and 3 dinosaurs.
3 dinosaurs? Are they coming with us?
Yes, they like airports. Leo, where are your socks? My lucky socks! Found one.
You need 2, little explorer.
One sock is not enough for a big adventure.
Stay together, okay? Is everyone ready?
Will the plane be bigger than our house?
Today, you will see the clouds from above.
I think planes dream about clouds. Then I wanna dream like a plane. Wow, is this a giant house?
No, Leo. It's the airport.
Look, that plane is huge. Ooh, it is bigger than our home.
Stay close, everyone. Please put your bags in the trays.
Okay, thank you.
Don't worry, it is just a little ride. He survived.
Next time, maybe your dinosaurs too.
Is that a game?
A serious airport game.
Stay close, Leo.
Gate 22 is this way.
Wow, so shiny. 1 minute, Nora. Hi, little robot.
Leo? Where is my son?
Oh no, he cannot be far.
It's my fault. I should have watched Leo.
No, sweetheart, it's not your fault.
We will find him. Stay calm. I'm gonna call airport security.
Leo? Where is Leo?
He was here. He was here. Maybe near the big windows.
Let's check near the big window. Come on, Ellie.
Stay close, Nora, okay? We'll get to him soon.
Wow! Quiet! That plane is huge!
Leo!
Come here, son.
sorry. I just wanted to see the plane.
It's okay, sweetheart. You're safe now.
Leo, there you are.
From now on, we stay together.
I'll hold his hand.
Okay, everyone stay close.
Flight 61 to Tokyo Narita Airport. All passengers holding for common space on
Best co-pilot ever.
That's a great, Nora.
Next time, we explore together. Our adventure is just beginning.
Where should the family go next?